Black is beautiful. Yeah, that's what I heard. I'm gonna bring up a topic. Let's start with hair. From 1A to 4C, a lot of people don't understand the trials and tribulations in between. It begins from young, curly, straight, frizzy and tangled. Tears rolling down my cheeks. With each sniffle, it gets harder to breathe. Don't cry, be strong. This is what we have to do. Pretty ain't painless. With hair like mine, I try to stay mindful, always having to be in my element to remain prideful. Nappy, tough, tender-headed. These are all the words you're quick to forget when you're touching, pulling and gripsing. Soft and lovely, wow, is it real? That's the fruits I get for my labor. Appreciation coming from people that look like me, but I'm on display for everybody. So don't tell me I'm not ugly. Don't tell me I'm not the beast. Don't act like beauty's within my reach. Who remembers not being able to have fun because you didn't want to get your hair messy? I got memories of missing swimming classes because I wasn't allowed to get my hair wet. Looking at my reflection, breaking a sweat when my edges weren't to perfection. Analysing every parting, ensuring every strand is in its section. That gave me trauma. Watching my life like a TV, feeling like I'm a part of a melodrama. Got PTSD from all the closeted drama. So now you've gotten the debrief. Has your perception changed about your ideology? Will you still walk around with the same preconceived beliefs? Let me know if you see the beauty behind the beast that is me. If so, help me see.
No, but you know when you come into school, like after, like when you do like this type of, like for example, single braids, and you're coming into school, and like someone would touch the hair, like it hurt.
Yeah.
Oh my! And like, I used to get my hair done in Peckham, yeah. I don't know if you guys know this, but when you go to Peckham, yeah, and your hair is out, they start shouting down the street, guys, who wants to come and do your hair? Who wants to come and do your hair? So cool now, like gone to the auntie now. And they're doing my hair. And it's like, you know you can be screaming in your mom's house when like your mom is doing your hair, like it's painful, yeah. But guys, I'm not even joking. I had to firm the pain. Oh my God. I was just sitting there smiling, but really and truly I was crying inside. And then I was like to myself, do you know what? Like, I want this hairstyle that this lady had. And she had like some, I think it's called Fulani braids. Guys, that's my favorite hairstyle, by the way. Yeah. You know where the ones was like half? And then
all braided. Oh,
best hairstyle, man. Like, I like box braids, don't get me wrong, but Fulani braids is really, do you get what I mean? Now, for real, it's like, don't cheat on your barber, you don't cheat on your hairdresser, because once you do, that's your own, man. That's your own. Bro, I'm not even joking.
How did you guys, like, learn to do hair?
I can't lie, I learned when I was young. Yes, like, my mum used to get me, like, Barbie dolls, yeah? And, like, she used to tell me, plait or no. I used to like plait, and then I used to like learn my mum's hair because my mum, she's like a white woman, so it's just easier for me to plait. So I started with that, and then my hair, then my little sister's hair, and yeah.
You guys had to learn by your mum. I had to do it myself.
Serious?
No, but I did learn by myself. I had to look on YouTube.
I didn't even look on YouTube.
And YouTube didn't even help me.
No, my auntie taught me because she does my hair all the time, so at some point
and
she
every
was
time,
like, try and braid, and I was like, okay.
Yeah, you
like,
I used to wear hijab when I was younger. So I used to 8 straight back cameras, that's it.
As like I said, as black girls growing up, getting our hair done, doing these things, and now learning about our hair as we go along, we're getting more tips about it, we're learning new things about it. I didn't even know, like for example, she's saying that it's taken her half an hour, she doesn't do the same process as me. I would have never known that. That's what I'm saying, even though we might have similar hair types, we don't all have the same process and it works for us.
Yeah, and my process is completely different from both of theirs.
I'm learning, that's what I'm saying.
Completely different. Like black beauty standards, oh my.
Literally, it changes not even every year, that's what I'm gonna say every month.
At
There's
this
always a new
point,
style
it's like
coming
there's
out.
always
First
something
is,
else.
you embrace your natural hair when it's slicked back, when it's in a slick bun. Then it's when she has the middle, the middle parting 29-inch bust down. Then when it's when she embraces her natural afro. Then it's when she wears,
when she has
butterfly locks. When she has curls. When she, when her hair, when she gets it, silk pressed. even though maybe not all the girls are like this, like sometimes we don't really care how our hair looks, there are other girls out there that are switching their hair, damaging it and doing all these styles and trends just to follow these standards because they think that's what it means to be a beautiful black woman.
When it's not.
Literally. Because there's so many, we are so many different types of beautiful in all different types of fonts, and we are all black women.
It's that girl, Niisey. Can't take away the things that make me who I am. That can't be the plan. Have to love the way I am. Can't take away the things that make me who I am. That can't be the plan. Have to love the way I am. Yeah, yeah. Have to love the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have to love the way I am. Yeah, yeah. Have to love the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have to love the way I am. Have to love my skin, have to love my hair. Have to know that I am she and no one can compare. Yeah, people talking, we don't have to care. No, keep it cool and the love will be shared. Yeah, have to love my grind, have to love my mind. Have to know that nobody can take what's mine. When the time's right, I will shine. Don't try me if you're wise. Yeah, yeah. Cause it's true, I get real crazy. Crazy. When I inform you how it should be. Yeah, yeah. I just wanna feel free in my body. Can't take that away from me. Now I'm ready to risk it all. Yeah. Can't take away the things that make me who I am. That can't be the plan. Have to love the way I am. Can't take away the things that make me who I am. That can't be the plan. Have to love the way I am. Yeah, yeah. Have to love the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have to love the way I am. Yeah, yeah. Have to love the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have to love the way I am. Have to show my strength. I don't need to prove I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm she. They say Niisey's up next, so you can't get me distressed. Can't take it and